today we're gonna check this simple yet effective trading strategy, so without wasting any time, let's dive into it. Hi traders, welcome back here on TradingGate where we discuss profitable trading strategies. Today we're gonna see a simple trading strategy based on a new built-in indicator from TradingView, really useful for detecting trend directions. In order to load this indicator onto the chart, open the indicator session and type Trend Strength Index and open this one. I have already loaded onto the chart and as you can see it's an oscillator that ranges between -1 and 1. Whenever the indicator is from 0 to -1, so is in negative area, it represents a downtrend, so basically a bearish confirmation. Whereas when the indicator is in the positive area, so between 0 and 1, it's a bullish confirmation. Considering how this indicator works, we're gonna draw two lines which will work as overbought and oversold. So here we're gonna set a line at 0.7 and here another line at -0.7. And we could use these two levels for buying and sell signals. But today we will concentrate only on this overbought level. Whenever the oscillator crosses over the 0.7 level, the price can goes up, whereas whenever the TSI crosses under the 0.7 level and goes below the overbought area, it may represent a bearish signal, or at least we have a confirmation that the bullish trend has lost a lot of strength. This is how we will use this indicator in today's strategy, and so we're gonna open a long position whenever the TSI cross over the 0.7 level, and we're gonna open a short position whenever the TSI cross under the 0.7 level. And these are our main entry signals. Then, in order to confirm our trend, we will use a moving average, specifically the JMA, the Zurich Moving Average, taken from the Moving Averages pack by TradingGate Pro. We're gonna set here length 40, source close, and we're gonna open long position only when the price is above the JMA, whereas we're gonna open short position whenever the price is below our JMA. Then, after this trend confirmation, we're gonna add a volatility confirmation based on the ADX, the Average Directional Index, and we're gonna open both long and short position whenever the ADX is above 20 level. And that's all. Now it's time to generate buy and sell signals using our strategy builder, a powerful tool that allows us to combine any indicator available on TradingView and generate buy and sell signals. We can customize any strategy as much as we want, we can backtest, automate strategies, generate alerts, and do all this cool stuff with just 2 clicks. Considering that our main entry signals are based on the oscillator, we're gonna go in the oscillator settings and we're gonna set the Trend Strength Index, both for long and short positions. Here for the long position we're gonna set TSI crossover 0.7, whereas for short signal we're gonna set the TSI that cross under the 0.7 level, exactly as we was saying before. Then we can set a trend confirmation based on the moving average. We're gonna set here the main moving average, both for long and short position, and we want the price to be above the moving average for long positions, whereas for short positions we want the price to be below the moving average. Then we're gonna add the third and last rule, which will be based on the ADX, and both for long and short position we want the ADX to be above 20 level, and the same is for short position. And that's all. As you can see, in just 2 steps we have configured an entire strategy based on 3 different conditions. Let's check how it works on the chart. As you can see here we have a long position, the TSI crossover the 0.7 level, the price is above our main moving average, and the ADX is above 20 level. Whereas for short position we have the TSI that cross under the 0.7 level, the price is below the moving average, and the ADX is above 20 level. That's cool. As you can see, all our rules are met at the same time. Now it's time to set our exit rules. We're gonna set for the stop loss ATR with a length of 16 and a multiplier of 3, whereas for the take profit we're gonna set risk reward 1.5. As you can see here we have our ATR levels and our stop loss is exactly at the ATR level at the moment of our entry position. If we measure the stop loss distance, it's 4.4 and our take profit is 1.5 times our stop loss distance. For short position is exactly the same, we have our ATR level, our stop loss is 3% distance from our entry and our take profit is 4.50%, exactly 1.5 times our stop loss distance. That's cool, so now that we master all the rules of our strategy, we have configured our entries, exits and all the rules, we are ready to jump into backtest results. But before jumping into backtest results, I want to give you a new update about our community. From now on, every strategy published on the channel will have its own spreadsheet with various backtest results. You just need to click on the pair to open the strategy in your TradingView account, see the backtest results, modify the strategy, and after your own evaluation, eventually run the strategy. These spreadsheets will be available along with all the strategies in the Settings Bank Premium channel on Discord, which is accessible to the premium members of our community. We are on Core USDT 30 minutes time frame on Bybit exchange. We're gonna open both long and short position, order size $10,000 with fixed amount, 1x leverage, no leverage apply, stop loss ATR, risk reward 1.5, initial capital $10,000 and 0.06% commission. And as you can see guys, we have a good equity line, 230% net profit, 255 trades, 46% win rate, 1.40 profit factor, 32.5 max throwdown, and 0.91 average trade. Net profit / throwdown 3.4, which honestly is not really high. Max win row 7, max loss row 9, which is not a bad ratio. 1.61 risk reward, expectancy 0.22, which is a medium value. Average win 6.74%, average loss 4.2%. 37 max win trade and 17 max loss trade. The monthly table overall is quite good. We have some losing months, but overall we can't complain about these results. We are backtesting about 2 years of charts. So we can say that this is a trend following strategy, so our win rate is in the average of a trend following strategy, so about 50%. If we check here the performance summary, we can see that for long position we did earn 132% net profit, whereas for short position we earned 98.55% net profit. Probably by changing some settings we could have a better net profit / throwdown or some better overall settings. By the way, we can complain about this backtest, and I think that with some adjustment it can be really interesting. You can do some tweak or adjustment at this strategy, because I will share these strategies in the Settings Bank Premium channel on Discord, which you will find these and other ready-to-use strategies completely available for the premium members of our community, and there you will find the spreadsheets. You can simply copy the layout, you can see other backtest results and do your own evaluation. You can get access to the Settings Bank Premium channel by joining on Patreon, along with granting access to all our premium indicators.